Okay, what we're looking at here is a bipedal robot that walks by rocking. Let's move it. Let's move it up here. Hang on, everybody. There we go. Basically, the motor is shifting back and forth inside. Give it the rocking action. And it's all 3D printed, but this was based loosely on an idea that I saw on this YouTube channel, Outsider 238, where he put together this kit from Tamiya called Bipedal Walking Robot. And in their case, they left the whole body exposed, so you can see this whole thing shifting back and forth. And in my design, I just put a very thin body around it and left the shifting motor on the inside. But I was going to paint this thing. Oh, I'll put a link to this. You should watch this video. A link to this down below. The build is interesting, the kit is very interesting, and it tends to fall over a lot, but that's still interesting too. This one doesn't always fall over so much, but it tends to favor its right foot over its left, so could be the angle that I glued the foot on. This maybe should have been tipped just a little bit more. Let's see if it'll walk down this way. It's going pretty good there. Basically, I limited how much the legs could move because we only needed, between the two of them, see how I can hold this so you can see it, maybe like this. So you can see there's about that much stepping motion provided. And in mine, I went ahead and used the same cams, which are holding the motor in suspension, to work little levers to kick the feet forward and backward. When I originally built it, I didn't do that. I just let it work off gravity, like the one up in, like the Tamiya one, and it tended to fall over a lot. So that's when I decided I'd put in some limiting as to how much the feet could move, and I'd go ahead and let the motor moving actually kick the feet forward and backward. Anyway, I was going to paint this thing because this was just scraps of filament that I had laying around in that color. But the weather isn't cooperating. It's way too cold out there to be spray painting. And if I bring it in the house, I get yelled at because it stinks. So if this is something that interests any of you out there, leave comments down below and we can build another one, do a build video. And maybe by then I would have either spray painted this one, or maybe the one in the build video could be painted or printed in a particular color that's more attractive. Because the whole motor moves back and forth, I made the eyes open. I put some reflective tape on the front of the motor part there, so as it moves back and forth, it would give some eye motion there. You can see these cams I was talking about. You can kind of see how that kicks the feet. So, there you have it. The bipedal walking robot, 3D printed. Leave comments down below.